At Canadel, we produce and customize 200 tables a day. A good table will last for years. The quality of assembly is critical. Each table is carefully assembled and tested for durability. Heavy pressure is exerted mechanically on the center of the table. The leaves are subjected to the same pressure to test the strength of the hardware. Weight is placed on a corner of the table, which must remain stable. This test simulates the pressure of a person leaning on the table while getting up. A side impact is exerted to test the strength of the assembly. The finish of a table is also an important factor. All Canadel products are finished with a catalyzed lacquer for ease of care. Talented employees, superior quality materials, and state-of-the-art manufacturing technology. Canadel. Quality time after time since 1982.